Hello, good morning dear students. Today we are going to see examples based on chapter number 2, that is work and energy. Example number 1. Ravi applied a force of 10 Newton and moved a book 30 centimeter in the direction of the force. How much was the work done by Ravi? Here given things are force is equal to 10 Newton. Displacement S is equal to 30 centimeter. Here we are going to convert this centimeter into meter. How to convert? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 30 centimeter is equal to how much meters? So we are cross multiplying here. 1 meter into 30 centimeter upon 100 centimeter, which is equal to 30 upon 100. So here 0 will cut. So 3 upon 10 meter. Therefore 30 centimeter is equal to 0.3 meter. So this displacement we converted into meter. Now work done we have to calculate. So work done formula is W is equal to F into S. So force is equal to 10, S is equal to 0.3. Therefore W is equal to 3 joule. Therefore the work done by Ravi is equal to 3 joule. Example number 2. A force of 20 Newton acts on a body. If the displacement of the body is 0.6 meter in the direction opposite to that of the force, calculate the work done by the force. Here given things are force is equal to 20 Newton, displacement S is equal to negative 0.6 meter. Here we put negative sign to displacement because here displacement and force both are in opposite direction. So displacement will be negative. Therefore work done W is equal to F into S, which is equal to 20 into negative 0.6, which is equal to negative 12 joule. Therefore, the work done by the force is equal to negative 12 joule. Therefore, work done is negative. Here, work done is negative because force and displacement both are in opposite direction. Example number 3. When a force of 20 Newton acts on a body, the body is displaced by 5 meter. If the angle between the force and displacement is 60 degree, find the work done by the force. Here given things are force is equal to 20 Newton, S that is displacement is equal to 5 meter and angle is given, that is theta is given 60 degree, and we have to calculate work done. So in case of angle, force and displacement, work done formula is equal to W is equal to F into S cos of theta, which is equal to 20 into 5 meter into cos of 60 degree. Now here we have to find out cos of 60 degree. So here one table is given, that is trigonometric ratios and angle. Here respective angles are there and here their trigonometric ratios respective values are given. So here we want cos of 60 degree. So cos of 60 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. So this cos of 60 degree 1 upon 2 we have to put in this equation, that is 20 Newton into 5 meter into cos of 60. So instead of cos of 60 we are going to put now 1 upon 2, which is equal to 100 into 1 upon 2. So here this 2 will divide to 50. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0 as it is. Therefore W is equal to 50 joule. Therefore the work done by the force is equal to 50 joule.